to our MojoFlex mini-series. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and today we're going to be talking about the Counting Numbers with Content section. You'll notice on the left-hand side we've got your grouping of modules here. We're going to go ahead and just drag over this module to the editor, and then you're going to go ahead and click on that module. Let's go ahead and add a counting number. So go ahead and hit the Add One text link. Now that we've gone into the module and added a counting number, you'll notice that there are some fields on the left. Item title, before number, a number, and by default is set to 50, and then after number. So the item title will actually go underneath the number. So this is an item title. Before number, a use case for this would be like a $sign, or you could even add in like a plus sign. So I'll go ahead and add in a $sign so you can see what that looks like. And then say after, you could either add a plus, 50 plus, or a K, maybe it's 50,000. And once you've added these in here, go ahead and hit apply changes. So I'm going to go ahead and add a few more. We've got this set to 3 right now. I'm going to go ahead and set it to 5. We'll just duplicate these. And then we can go in and just put different values. So let's say this one's 1,000. And I'm going to go ahead and set this one to 200. And let's say this one was like 500. Let's put an odd number in there. So 5, 8, 9. And maybe it's not a dollar amount. Maybe this is a plus. Okay. And then the last one, what we can do is let's just make this a big, huge number. I'm going to go ahead and just hit refresh, and we'll see those calculate. So as you can see, the numbers are calculating upwards. As the user scrolls down and hits that module, the numbers will actually calculate up. Now that I've shown you the counting numbers with content module, you can go ahead and apply this to your new MojoFlex theme. My name is Jason Harrop, Senior Design Lead here at Mojo Media Labs, and thank you for watching.